माननीय सभासदों, माननीय सभापति जी।
Memorandum of business. Papers to be laid on the table. Please be seated.
Respected Chairman, sir, with your permission, on behalf of my senior colleagues and other colleagues, Sri Sarbanand Sonowal ji, Sri Rajkumar Singh ji, Sri Rao Inderjit Singh ji, Dr. Jitendra Singh ji, Sri Pankaj Chaudhary ji, Dr. Bhagwat Karat ji, and Dr. Bharti Praveen Pawar ji, I lay on the table of the House the papers listed against their names from serial numbers 1 to 7 in today's revised list of business.
Message from Lok Sabha Secretary General.
Sir, with your kind permission, I rise to report that the Lok Sabha at its sitting held on 2nd of August 2021 passed the General Insurance Business Nationalization Amendment Bill 2021. I lay a copy of the bill on the table.
Report of the Department of Parliamentary Standing Committee on Transport, Tourism and Culture.
Respected Chairman, sir, I rise to present the 298th report on the recommendation observations of the committee contained in 288th report on the demands for grants of Ministry of Tourism, Hindi and English versions of the Standing Committee on Transport, Tourism Committee. Thank you, sir.
Reports of the Department Parliamentary Standing Committee on Finance. Dr. C.M. Ramesh.
Sir, I raise to lay a copy of each of the 8 reports, Hindi and English version of the Standing Committee on Finance, as mentioned against my name in today's revised list of business.
Report of the Department of Parliamentary Standing Committee on Labour. Sri Vivek Thakur. Please.
I rise to lay on the table a copy each in English and Hindi of the 25th report of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Labour on impact of COVID on rising unemployment, loss of jobs, livelihoods in organised and unorganised sectors.
Reports of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Social Justice and Empowerment. Sri Ram Kumar Verma.
जी सर, माननीय सभापति जी, आपकी अनुमति से मैं सामाजिक न्याय और अधिकारिता संबंधी स्थायी समिति 2020-21 के 3 विवरण जैसा कि आज की कार्यसूची में सूचीबद्ध है सभा पटल पर रखता हूं। धन्यवाद।
Statement of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Water Resources. Sri Arun Singh.
Sir, I rise to lay on the table the Hindi and English versions of the further action taken statement of the Standing Committee on Water Resources as listed against my name in the today's list of business.
Statement by Minister Sri Sarbanand Sonowal.
Sir, in pursuance of the provisions of Rule 266 of Procedure and Conduct of Business, I wish to inform the House the status of implementation indicated in the statement being laid on the table of the House of various recommendations contained in the 120th and 122nd reports of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Health and Family Welfare in respect to the Ministry of Ayush.
Sri Ajay Bhatt.
आदरणीय अध्यक्ष जी, मैं आपकी अनुमति से आज की संशोधित कार्यसूची में मेरे नाम के आगे उल्लिखित पर्यटन मंत्रालय से संबंधित दार्जिलिंग और सिक्किम में पर्यटन के विकास के संबंध में विभाग संबंधित परिवहन, पर्यटन और संस्कृति संबंधी संसदीय स्थायी समिति के 190वें प्रतिवेदन में अंतर्विष्ट सिफारिशों समुक्तियों के कार्यान्वयन की स्थिति तथा पर्यटन मंत्रालय से संबंधित जम्मू और कश्मीर में पर्यटन के विकास के संबंध में विकास संबंधित परिवहन, पर्यटन और संस्कृति संबंधी संसदीय स्थायी समिति के 270वें प्रतिवेदन में अंतर्विष्ट सिफारिशों समुक्तियों के कार्यान्वयन की स्थिति के संबंध में एक वक्तव्य प्रस्तुत करता हूं।
Right. Notice were received under 267 Professor Ram Gopal Yadav ji, Viswambar Prasad Nishad, Sri Sanjay Singh, Sri Sivadasan, Sri Ashok Siddhartha, Sri Mallikarjun Kharge, Sri K.C. Venugopal, Sri Vinay Viswam, Sri Sukhen Sekhar Rai, Sri Almaram Karim, Sri Shakti Singh Gohel, Sri Ripun Bora on the issues which have been already taken up, not admitted, and then demand for intervention in situation arising of... No, wait. Tell me. Please. What is it?
238 पॉइंट ऑफ ऑर्डर 238 आदरणीय सभापति महोदय, इस सदन के एक सदस्य ने
Please go to your seat. Please go to your seat. Otherwise you will be named and action will be taken. This is not allowed. Nothing shall go on record. Nothing shall be shown.
Sir, I wanted to repeat, sir. Point of order 238. 238 में use of offensive expression about the conduct or proceeding of the house or any
crossing all the limits.
Sir,
crossing all the limits and you are bringing bad name to Parliament and bad name to yourself. Please go to your respective seat.
चार पापड़ी की तरह बिल पास किए जा रहे हैं। यहाँ पर जो माननीय सदस्य बैठे हुए हैं, यहाँ पर चार पापड़ी बना रहे हैं क्या?
Right.
हम आपसे अनुरोध करेंगे कि वो
majority of the members, okay, majority of the members want the house to run. Majority of the members want to discuss the issues, and a chair also is willing to permit discussion on these issues. But if this is the way, you cannot force us, you cannot dictate to the chairman of what to do and what not to do. Parliament Affairs Minister.
And how much bill they have passed. Previously during their resume, we are ready. Even at this moment, we want to discuss all the bills. We don't want to rush the bill. We don't want to pass the bill without discussion. This point I would like to make clear. But one particular member from TMC, he has insulted the Parliament. He has insulted the people of India who are elected the members of Parliament, sir. It is the greatest insult, and using such phrase is most unfortunate.
Please go to your seat.
And if he has some sense, he should apologize to the country and Parliament.
Please go to your seats and then allow the house to function. People are watching. Children are watching. The entire country is really getting organized by our continuous disruptions. We are sent here for discussing. Discuss, debate and decide. Do not disrupt. Don't show the hand. Don't show the hand. I will name you and send you. Shakti Sinha Goyal is the name. You can't show accusing finger against the chair. You have to understand this. Being a senior, you will be harming yourself. I am telling you. You are an upcoming parliamentarian. Don't do this. Nobody can dictate to the chair. Nobody can show an accusing finger. Understand? And go to your seat. And the house is adjourned to meet at for DM.